HTML comments are essentially notes or comments that you put on your HTML code or in your HTML document that are not seen by the end user when they look at your web page. So this is a great way for you to take notes in your code as we are doing things together so that you can go back and reference it at a later date. If we go to our code right here, I say this is the opening body tag, and in here all of our site content is inserted. Now if I save this and I go to our web page and hit refresh, you see that note. So we can't just put notes on a web page document. We have to use something called HTML comments. So the syntax for creating a comment is angle bracket, exclamation mark, dash, dash, and now you see that this entire area is grayed out. But we've also grayed out our body and our closing HTML tag, which we don't want to do. So at the end of our note, we're just going to go dash, dash, and then angle bracket again. And that allows us to create a comment. Now, comments can be on one line, as we have here, or comments can span multiple lines. So if I write comment 1, comment 2, comment 3, I can then comment out this section here and then close my comment. And we always want to practice proper formatting, no matter what we're doing. So if I save this and go back to the page and hit refresh, our comments disappear. So HTML comments are not visible to the user, but that doesn't mean they are not there and they cannot be seen. If somebody knows how to use the inspector, which we're going to talk about in another class, in another video, I can open up the inspector and look at our website. So here we see our HTML. Here's our HTML. Here's our head. Here's the head. And here's the body tag. We're going to crack open the body tag right here. And here's where you can see the comments. So one best practice note, while it's good to use comments for trying to remember certain things, when you actually deploy a website, when you actually put your website on the web, you definitely want to remove as many comments, if not all the comments, if possible, because they are still visible to anybody who knows how to use an inspector. So one more note about comments. I'm going to delete the comments that I have here, and I'm going to write again, this is a comment. And instead of having to write the comment out like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight my comment, I'm going to hit the command button and the question mark or slash button. And that is the shortcut to automatically create a comment. So let's do it one more time. This is a comment. This is another comment. I'm going to highlight both of these lines, hit command and slash. There are other scenarios where you may want to use comments too. One scenario may be the client might like to see a component from a web page completely removed. So if we scroll down, we see that we have this introductory section, we have this application section with a slider, and you just keep going down, there's a call to action. So let's say the customer would like to see the page without this application section that we've coded. So we would just go to our code, we would take the block of code we have, I would hit Command A to select everything, and then hit Command slash to comment it out, save, come back to our website and hit refresh, And we're going to see that this application section, which was once there, is now completely gone. So now it gives the client the opportunity to see what the page looks like without that section there. And if they decide they want it back, we just come back, take the comments out, save, refresh. And now, because our block of code has been uncommented, we can see it again. I'm going to add one more comment to our page. So let's put one comment here together. This is a base or template that we should always reference moving forward anytime we create a new web page. And then we'll comment it out.